we're talking of the 2025 General Appropriations Act budget. And remember, sabi ni former Secretary Bonoan, the House and the Senate inserted 450 billion in Public Works Fund sa kanyang department. 450 billion insertion. Ngayon, the President Marcos Jr. vetoed only 29 billion. So that 29 billion veto is just window dressing. In other words, inapproved ni President Marcos Jr. yung insertion of about 420 billion. 421 billion. Napakalaki yan. So he owned up. He is responsible for this 421 billion insertion. So hindi cannot escape liability dahil he could have vetoed it. Kasi hindi naman galing sa National Expenditure Program niya. In-insert ng Congress, we don't know kung sino, he should have vetoed it. And then, pag na-veto niya, he will now submit a supplemental budget to include that, to put that back into the budget. No? Pero pinayagan niya. So when you approve it, pinirma niya yung bill, he owned it already. He owned this insertion of 421 billion.
You cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. Hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo.